First I'm going to take one chili, half of a tomato, then half inch of a ginger which is peeled, then half teaspoon of turmeric powder and a tablespoon of coriander cumin seed powder. Then I'm going to add a cup of water and then blend this entire mixture well. Once this is blended well, then I'm going to put the skillet or the saucepan on heat. And by that time, in this hot water, I'm going to put the ramen noodles just to wash off little bit of wax, whatever is there. So I'm using here half of the ramen for one type of noodles which I'm making. So I'll be washing both of the parts and keeping it aside. So my saucepan is completely hot, so I'm going to add this blended mixture in it. Then half teaspoon of salt, a pinch of asafoetida or hing, let it boil. And then I'm going to add the ramen noodles to it. So make sure that the salt is very less quantity because I'm just using half part of the ramen. So I'm going to let this cook just for 30 seconds, not too much because you don't want your ramen noodles to get soggy. And then I'm going to turn off the stove. And then I'm going to serve this in a bowl, add tulsi leaves, and then I'm going to offer it to Krishna first. This is our first way of making the ramen noodles. So in this hot saucepan, I'm going to add a cup of water. Then in that, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of coriander cumin seed powder. I'm going to filter it so that there is no thick spice residue at the bottom when the sauce is prepared. Then I'm going to add nearly half teaspoon of turmeric powder, then half teaspoon of red chili powder, a pinch of hing, and then half teaspoon of salt. And then I'm going to let this cook nicely. And then a little bit of garam masala added, and this is a pinch of black pepper powder I have added. And then this is a pinch of ginger powder I have added. And then I'm going to let it cook, a little bit boil. And then once it starts simmering, then I'm going to just add this instant noodle, remaining half. And then I'm going to cook it just for 30 seconds, not too much, and then turn off the stove. If you're using more quantity of your noodles, then you have to use extra spices there. So because it's just half ramen, that's why I have used such little quantity. Now I'm going to place a tulsi leaf and offer it. This is the second way of making our ramen noodles. Now in the last method, I added 1 cup of chopped tomatoes, 1 cup of water, choicest vegetables, nearly a cup. Then I'm going to add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander cumin seed powder. Then I'm going to add a pinch of hing, and then 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. And then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, and I'm going to let this entire thing cook for nearly 4 to 5 minutes until the tomatoes get a little softer. And now here, once it's done, then again this washed instant noodles, I'm going to add it to this. Then I'm going to turn it, and then I'm going to add another half cup of water to it. Let it cook just for a minute and then turn off the stove. So this is our third and last method of making ramen noodles. I hope you all liked watching this video. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.